and in fact displayed the Harrier before going on to join and fly with the Red Arrows. Ladies and gentlemen, if any of you've got a camera, this is another great photo opportunity. This is called the Box Bend. Gently lets that out, the rest of the team change formation into line abreast to fly away from us to show you something which nobody else in the world does. This took them over 2, and the others are going to stick in a boot full of rudder, fly cross-controlled and out of balance. We call this crazy. Now 2XL Aviation into the Snake before entering a loaded barrel roll. This is the Snake and Whirlpool. Now as the blades break away from us, watch the outside 2 men. This is blades 2 and 3 as they pull up and do that crazy Russian move again. It's the spin going upwards, a Bolshevik. Now as they both fly out of that, move your attention to the inside too. This is blades 1 and 4. You can see them there pulling up straight out in front of us as they prepare to fly horizontally across the sky towards each other. It's something which is again brand new for this year. This is called the Butterfly Cross. Now as the smoke is cooled off, you want to keep your attention on blades 1 and 4 as they come back in towards us. Blade 1 is going to turn upside down, looking straight into the cockpit of blade 4 as they pull up in front of us and stall turn either side in the stall turn split. Now any of you Top Gun fans out there, I hope you enjoyed that one. Now again, you want to keep your eyes on these two. As blades 1 and 4 fly away from us, they're preparing to defy the laws of aerodynamics. They're going to pull up and then throw the aircraft end over end in what we call the twin tumbles. Now as the smoke on. As he gets to the bottom of the dive, he's going to pull up for a 4-point roll before entering a nice exit. I hope you'll agree with me that move almost speaks for itself, but this one I'm pretty sure he made it up. We call it the centrifuge. Now blade 4 is Mark Cutty Cutmore. to 88010. That's text Blades to 88010 for your chance to come flying with the team. So the Blades are now out in front of us in swan formation, preparing to come back in for their final move. So just before they do, on behalf of everyone at the Blades, I'd like to say thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the display. I'd like to say thank you to RAF Waddington for having us. We've had a fantastic time here and we hope to see you again. So ladies and gentlemen, as the team come back in swan for the Trident split, please put your hands together for the Blades.